Hello everyone, welcome to the video presentation of analyzing data using Alteryx Designer. This exercise takes customer data from an Excel spreadsheet and group the opportunity based on the opportunity amount. Before starting the design, let's take a look at what we are planning to achieve. Step 1, we'll read the data from an Excel spreadsheet. Step 2, we'll create a group based on opportunity amount. Step 3 will name the opportunity as large or small based on our analysis. Now that we have a clear plan, let's begin the implementation. The first step is to fetch data from an Excel spreadsheet. To do that, we'll use the input data function of Alteryx. Drag the input data function onto the canvas. Navigate to the file using Connect a File or Database dropdown. Locate the file and click on Open. Select the sheet Sales Win-Loss data with a $sign to fetch all the records from the spreadsheet. Alteryx has successfully fetched the data and it previews first 100 records here in this preview window. The next step of our analysis is to group the data based on opportunity amount. To do that, we'll be using the tile function of Alteryx. The tile function will create groups based on the average of the data. It uses the standard deviation concept to create the groups. Drag the tile function onto the canvas and connect it to the input function. As you can see, the tile method options are being displayed in the configuration pane. Now select opportunity amount from the tile field and click on the Run Workflow Control button. The tile function is successfully executed and the results are displayed here in the output pane. Click on the OK button of the pop-up. Navigate through the output result. Two new columns, tile_num and tile_sequence_num, are created by the Alteryx based on the analysis. We will be using the tile_num column for our analysis. The tile function has grouped the data into two groups and assigned numerical value 2 and 1 for the data. Now let's use the tile_num column to identify if the opportunity is small or large. To do that, we first need to format our data so that it can be used to perform the analysis. And to do the formatting, we will be using the select function of Alteryx. Drag and drop the select function onto the canvas and connect it to the tile function. All the options are listed in the configuration pane. Let's browse all the different options. Note that we do not need tile_sequence_num column for our analysis. Hence, deselect that column. Change the tile_num column type to double for our analysis. The formatting is complete and our data is ready for the analysis. To perform the analysis, we will be using the formula function of Alteryx. Drag and drop the formula function and connect it to the select function. As you can see on the configuration pane, we need to give the output field. So we are interested to know if our opportunity is large or small. Hence, I would name the output field as opportunity size, as the value in that column will be either large or small, which is a text value, a string value. Hence I would change the type of the column to vString. Now to perform the analysis, I'll be using the function which will determine the opportunity size based on the tile underscore num column value. To do that, I'll use the first conditional statement which is available here. Double click on the first conditional statement. So the expression which we are gonna use for doing the analysis is if tile underscore num is greater than 1, then we'll say the opportunity is large, and if it is not, then the opportunity will be determined as small. So let's select the tiles underscore num variable. So if tile underscore num is greater than 1, then true, and the true part we need it as, so if tile underscore num is greater than 1, then the opportunity is large, else the opportunity is small. To perform the analysis, click on the Run Workflow control button. The progress is being showed here. Once the operation is complete, Alteryx shows a pop-up message with the time taken to perform the operation. Click on OK button of the pop-up. Now let's go through the output window to see if the operation was successful. So as we can see, for tile underscore num value 2, we have the opportunity size as large, and for tile underscore num value 1, we have opportunity size as small. So we started by fetching data from an Excel spreadsheet, prepared the data, and performed analysis to identify if an opportunity is large or small. Let's now store the analysis to an Excel spreadsheet. To do that, we will be using output data function of Alteryx. Drag and drop the output data function on the canvas and connect it to the formula function. On the configuration pane, select the location where the output file needs to be saved. Provide a name for the output file. Select the save as type as Microsoft Excel and click on the save button. Alteryx provide an option to change the sheet name. I do not intend to change the sheet name, hence click on OK button. Now to move the data of the analysis into the output file, click on the Run Workflow button. The progress time of all the functions will be displayed here. Click on the OK button. Once the execution is complete, let's see if the file was created. So, Alteryx has successfully created an Excel output file for our analysis. Hence, we started by fetching the data, and after performing analysis, we were able to store our analysis into an Excel spreadsheet. So Alteryx provide easy drag and drop functions to perform complex analysis and store the analysis into an output file. Thank you for watching.